Maisy's Train, a Go with Maisy board book by Lucy Cousins. Maisy is driving her train today. All aboard. Toot, toot. We're off to the country. Hello, geese. Up, up, up the hill. Hello, goat. And down, down, down into the valley. Whee! Hello, rabbit. Through the tunnel. Bye-bye, bird. And out into the sunshine. Tallulah. Eddie. Charlie. Sarah. Maisy. Hello, butterfly. Here we are, back at the station. Toot toot. Hello, ostrich. What a fun train ride, Maisy. Bye-bye, everyone. Maisy, Maisy, Mouse. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Maisy, Maisy, Mouse. Maisy's Train.